Welcome to my favorite section, guys, the G Cloud SDK. Sorry about that. So, always you would want to go on to the mothership to find out what the current instructions are. Install G Cloud SDK Mac. We will start with Mac, but I'll also show you guys how to do it on Windows and Linux. So, G Cloud SDK. Quick start for Mac OS. Alright, and it's saying download that file, and there it is. And so I could untar it technically, but I'm just going to do double click here. We will do it the proper way when we work with Alright, now I'm going to put it in my home folder. CD. Okay, what next? Looks like that's it, guys. I'm already inside that folder. Okay, so now the default install installs only three things: BigQuery command tool, Cloud SDK core libraries, and Cloud Storage command line tool. So we won't worry about the BigQuery command line tool because that gets a little. You want to continue? Yes. I did not. Okay, so it is going to add $path and enable shell command completion. So it will just add stuff into that file, and that's my default ZSHRC file, and that is done. And now if we do cat dot and cat dot ZSHRC, like these two lines, they come in really handy. So when you're executing the gcloud commands, gcloud compute, I actually have to relog in. Gcloud compute. Hey guys, so I attached this section after the fact, so just to keep install and uninstall together, because like you would want to know them that way. But anyway, I'm going to verify the installation was successful. The four components are gcloud, BigQuery, the core components at gsutils. So now I'm going to find the uninstall document, the same way Google mothership, and it just has two commands to find out what the installation location is and where the config directory is. So copy paste, find those directories, and rm-rf. Now the last thing to do is the same autocomplete entries. We're going to have to remove them from the .dsh.rc file. And that should be it, guys. See you in the next lecture when we talk about components